From the seas to the skies, federal and state health officials want people to help stop the spread of the disease. 8 on your side's Marco Villarreal joins us now live from Tampa International to tell us how passengers are reacting to new CDC guidelines, and every day it feels like there's something new.
Always something new, Jen, correct. And earlier today, the Florida Department of Health actually said that any passengers that's gone to any country should self-isolate after getting back home. But then they corrected and said, let's instead look at what the CDC's guidelines are. But there's still a lot of people saying that's too much for too many people to do.
I've heard, that it's everywhere and that a relatively small number of people have gotten it.
At this point, people have heard about the coronavirus. While some are worried, others are looking beyond the doctors.
I'm not scared about it. I'm not worried about it. I believe in a higher power, so I know God's got me. So it's going to happen. It's going to happen.
On Monday, the CDC put out new guidelines to help stop the spread of the virus. They're asking travelers who have gone to countries with a level 3 travel health notice to stay home for 14 days after arriving back in the U.S.
Some will, and it's good that they do.
After visiting countries like China, Iran, Italy, and South Korea, travelers should avoid contact with others, stay away from crowded places and mass transit, and do not go to school or work.
I don't think people are going to do that, no. They'll still come and go. I mean, unless the government puts a lockdown on the whole traveling ban or make a traveling ban, it's not going to happen. So people are just going to keep going, and everyone's going to get sick.
Now, for American citizens who have traveled to China or Iran, they are allowed back here into the U.S., but only through one of 11 U.S. airports where there are quarantine stations set up by the CDC. The only one here in Florida is down in Miami. Reporting live at Tampa International Airport, Marco Villarreal, 8 on your side.